Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today do I have a special one for you. This is a Roman's Inception, and in case you didn't know, this is a replica of the Obi-Wan lightsaber from Episode 3, Revenge of the Sith, as used by Ewan McGregor. So, I mean, that should be enough, right, to say why it's so exciting. Because Obi-Wan's going to be out in the future and people are finally getting really, really ready? Yeah. This is cool because it's an in-hilt RGB LED, so it's still color changing. It's a Proffieboard, and I'm just ranting at this point, so why don't we just go over to the other guy and let him explain, with a closer look, just what's going on.
Your move.
Anyways, here we are finally. My turn. Be able to show off this awesome saber. But, yeah, needless to say, I mean, Roman's really hit this out of the park. And, access to the board and everything is really easy. The chassis is a Goth 3D design, and I love it because it's, you can use it just as a Padawan chassis, or you can use it as the Master chassis that it's designed to be. But essentially, let's get this all the way out. This is a very snug fit. There we go. So the chassis has a stop on the end that will actually stop you from completely removing the pommel and the bottom section. But the speaker's in here. Soundboard's right here. Your kill key and recharge port is right here. And then power and auxiliary. And then there is your in-hilt RGB LED. So to turn it on, you can either pull the kill key out or you can twist it.
So uncivilized.
I'm just going to throw it like that and then close this up. Keep in mind that's nylon, not metal in there, so do your best to, work with it. Don't try to just like, it's still nylon. But the controls are just 2-button controls. So you have your auxiliary and your power. You can turn it on with a single click. Turn it off with a single click. You can, while on blaster block with the auxiliary, for lockup, hold the power and clash. To color change, hold the auxiliary and tap the power, and then when you twist it, it'll change to whatever color you want. And then you can also start this without sound by double tapping the power, so you'll get everything, lock up and all that. What else? Oh, music. You can hold the power and release for 1 second. And Obi-Wan's font will play Battle of Heroes. It'll play the whole song. And you can use the saber while it's playing. Anyways, so that actually is the entire saber, believe it or not. Not too much to it, but with the blade in, I will make sure that I include some glam shots, some flybys. So let's do that, and then we'll have other John wrap up the video. Alrighty, so that does it for this video, guys. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot as well, so thank you in advance. And I guess I'll just see you on the next one. May the Force be with you.